Hello YouTubers, I am making a new video series, What is War Eagle Eating? This is my bass, War Eagle. I named him after the spinnerbait. Now I'm not an Auburn fan. So I'm just going to put up videos of him eating random things. Typically goldfish, but maybe ghost shrimp, crawfish, shad. Got a few bluegill friends in there. But that's the aquarium. 55 gallon. It's pretty good size for him. So, ooh, he's just chasing that. He's been chasing them today, but he's not been attacking them. Oh well, so. Whoa, what was that? What was that, buddy? There's no goldfish in here yet. Why are you attacking stuff like you're eating a goldfish? Oh well. So, that's War Eagle. He's a pretty good fish. I mean, he was 9 inches when I caught him, and he hasn't grown much. Not even half a pound. Little tiny fish, but he's interesting to watch. So, War Eagle. What is War Eagle eating? New video series on YouTube. Come and watch it.